guys, hope you're all well. On today's video I'm going to be fitting a new exhaust system to the BMW, but I've had a few questions since I put my last video up, which was the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 8, which I'm using now, asking what the sound quality is like on the camera. So I thought what I'd do is I'll do this video, give you an idea what the sound quality is like on the camera as well. I'll use the GoPro Hero 8 to film the whole lot, and yeah, and then you can make up your mind on if you think the sound's good or not. So yeah, back to the BMW. So I've got a new exhaust system, as you can see on the back of the bike there. It's a G.P.R. I ordered it last week and it was due to come Thursday, but somehow DHL managed to misdeliver it, but thankfully they managed to get it back and deliver it to me today. So what I'll do, we'll get some sound clips of the standard exhaust, and then once I've fitted it I'll get some more sound clips of the new exhaust so you can see the difference in regards to pitch, sound and everything. But before we do all that, let's go unbox the exhaust so I can show you what it looks like. Okay, so we've got it all unboxed. So this is the new exhaust that will be going on. Obviously I went for the black one, being a black bike I thought it'd blend in a little bit better. It's got the removable baffle inside, so if I want it to get make it a little bit louder, then obviously I can take that out. Also in the bag, we get all our link pipes and everything. Obviously this is the one for the K1200, so it should just bolt straight on, and your springs and everything. And then also your bracketry to bolt it onto the back. So this is the standard exhaust at the moment. So what we're going to be doing is removing this section here to allow us to get to the clamp, unbolt this here, and then we can take the whole lot off. I believe this weighs about 1.7 kilos, where I believe that the old one is probably more like 10 or 12 kilos. So we'll have a bit of weight saving there as well. So let's go and grab some tools and then we'll start taking it apart. As you can see over there, there's the old exhaust. That's now off. Pretty straightforward. You've got a small screw just inside this cap here to remove that. You have a clamp with, I believe it is a T45 Torx, which is there to undo the clamp here, and then the same again to undo the bolt up here, which holds the bracketry, and then it just falls off. So now we've got that off, let's get the new one all fitted in. Well, there you go, that's the G.P.R exhaust fitted. A little bit of a Italian style to the BMW. Straightforward to fit. It was just a couple of bolts and a clamp. It's really easy to fit, not a problem at all. That is with the decibel killer out. It sounds better that way. It's got a terrible whistle with the dB killer in, so I've decided to take it out for the moment. I am planning on doing a European trip next year, so the chances are that I'll probably put the stock exhaust back on to go and do that, because Germany's quite hot in regards to noise pollution and stuff like that. But I'll do a bit more research before we go over there. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Keep an eye out. We've got some good things coming up on the channel over the next couple of months. We've got Motorcycle Live in a few weeks that I'll be going to. We've got the Ride of Red, I think it is, around the M25, which is next weekend, so hopefully I'll get some footage from that. And we've got the Santa runs coming up as well, one in Windsor, one in Reading. So yeah, good things coming up on the channel. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, then please go and hit that subscribe button. I do appreciate it. And if you like the video, then hit the like button down below. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Ride safe. See you soon. Bye bye.